At Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, we believe that education is not just about what students learn, but how they learn. The Cambridge International Curriculum at Jaipuria offers a balanced approach rooted in inquiry, critical thinking, and a deeper understanding of the world around us. The Cambridge at Jaipuria aligns with a vision of providing a learning environment that nurtures both the academic and the personal growth of our students. It encourages them to approach subjects with curiosity, ask questions, and make connections between what they learn and the world beyond the classroom.
The way we learn here encourages us to think for ourselves. And it's not about memorizing, it's about understanding the why and how of things.
What makes Cambridge special is its emphasis on global awareness and responsibility. It teaches students not only to learn, but to think, reflect, and introspect, and go beyond the immediate surroundings, becoming more empathetic and mindful of the world they live in.
It feels like we are not just studying subjects, but learning how to solve real-life problems. The hands-on project makes it more relatable.
The Cambridge curriculum helps students develop essential skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and reflection. It encourages them to ask questions and seek answers in meaningful ways, not just for exams, but for life.
Our school building reflects this philosophy. With open spaces, natural light, and thoughtfully designed areas for collaboration, we have created a setting where learning can unfold organically. The integration of technology with traditional methods allows for a richer, more interactive learning experience that supports individual growth. Our approach extends beyond academics, whether through sports, the arts, or hands-on projects. At Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, we believe that the right environment can foster the right kind of learning, one that goes beyond textbooks and prepares students for a future of thoughtful engagement.